friends, welcome to my channel. In this video I am going to tell you how you can earn the income from Get.io, how you can win the rewards from here, and how you can participate in some activities to win the rewards. So first of all, you need to log in from my referral link, and the link to the website is available in the video description, so must check it out. And here you can see the interface like this. Just scroll down and you'll see the interface like announcement. So just click on it and you'll see the interface like this. Here you can see the trade competitions. If you wanna enter in the trading competition, you enter in this section. Here you can see some activities. If you want to win the reward from activities, you can enter in this also. So here you can see the Get.io crypto win can bonanza win 1 Ethereum start at whitelist and share mega prize. So if I click on this trading competition, here you can see the simple DeFi trading for all VVS Finance trading competition is live. Here $26,500 mega rewards in VVS. So you can check competition period is from 26 August to 9th to 2 September. Here you can click to register. Please fill in the form for to register and join. If I click in this join now option, so simply DeFi trading for all. Here you can see select the event you want to participate in. Activity 1 here is trade VVS to share $11.50. All qualified users on trading volume will share the top 20 prizes. Here you can see activity 2 net deposit activity with $7,000 giveaway, and the activity 3 new users registered and trade win a share of $4,000, whereas activity 4 invite new users win a share of $4,000. The rules of the participation is also available here. You can click on this submit option to participate. If I click on this activity 3 and then click on submit, then you have to verify the captcha here. And thank you for sharing. Here you can see, so here you can see the activity 1, 2, 3 as I mentioned below, and here is the notice. All but need to fill in the application form and complete KYC to verification to claim reward net deposit. Here you can check the use of duplicate accounts. Rewards will be distributed project tokens in 14 working days. Market makers are not eligible to participate. You can using trading volume is calculated. The trading volume will be eliminated by multiplying. The trading volume will be normalized. Here you can check all the details here, so must check it out and participate in this section to win the mega rewards in VVS. So if you guys enjoyed the video, hit the like button, comment down below if you have any questions. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.